Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how we grow mint from stalk and the way we prepare dried mint powder. So we bought bunches of mint leaves from the vegetable store, and here you can see that we are separating the leaves from the stalk. These stalks will then be planted in the soil. While you're plucking the leaves, ensure that you leave a few leaves in the stalk, especially when the stalks are thin. The leaves will give a stability and absorb food for the stalks to sustain and help them to grow again. Here you can see we are digging holes in the soil about 2 to 3 inches deep to plant the stalks. We had already planted some of the stalks, as you can see in the back of the video. So when you're planting the stalks, try to plant them as a bunch, group them together in about 4 or 5 together, and try to plant them as a bunch, because when you plant them as a bunch, the chances of survival is extremely high and they will definitely not wither away. And when you plant them separately, and especially when they are very thin, most of the time they don't survive. So this is a foolproof method to grow mint. So here you can see this is the plot where we had planted mint about 3 weeks ago, in the same way that we showed just now. And look how they have grown and they have spread wherever they find place. We hope, like us, you will also find this way of growing mint to be very easy and quick. So the leaves that we had plucked, we either cook them right away or we make dried mint powder and store them to be used as a spice whenever there's a need. So for that, wash the leaves thoroughly in running water and remove all the dirt and the dead leaves out of these, and spread them on a flat pan or a plate over a tissue or a thin cloth so that the excess water is absorbed. And then we are going to be literally baking them in the oven until they become crisp. So set your oven at the minimum temperature. So here in our oven it was 170 degrees, and I'm going to keep it for about 15 minutes to take out and show you all how it looks. So put the tray inside, and this is how it looks after 15 minutes. It has just started to dry, keeping the fragrance intact. So I set the timer again to 1 hour at the same temperature, which is 170 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the lowest setting in my oven here. So this is how it looked after an hour. All the leaves have completely dried. The time that you have to set to get to this stage depends on the oven, so you may have to try a few times before deciding what works best for you. But the final stage is the stage where it is crispy, that you can actually crush them with your fingers. So allow it to cool and then crush them to the consistency that you would prefer. I usually crush them to a coarse powder, not very fine, and then store it in airtight containers. These boxes or containers can be refrigerated, not in the freezer though, for more than 6 months without losing the fragrance. So that's all for this video. Thank you all for watching till the end of the video. If you like this video, please click on that like button and share this video with your family and friends. If you're watching us for the first time, please click on that subscribe button as well. So thank you once again. I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care all of you. Bye bye.